Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with a brand new unboxing. It's time to unbox the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo, and this is a new budget phone from Tecno which is costing around 35,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. In this price range we have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and the processor on this phone is a MediaTek Helio G85, which is a really disappointing thing in this price range, because in this price range we have a Snapdragon 680 SoC or a Helio G96. And this phone also has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, no 90Hz. We should see 90Hz on this phone minimum. And this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18W fast charging. This phone has a 48 megapixel main camera. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see here is the box of the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo, and you can see we have a new box in the Tecno CAMON 19 series. So now let's quickly unbox the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo in the Echo black color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So this phone also has an NFC, and you can see. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox this phone. Let's first remove the plastic like this, and this phone also available in the white color as well. And you can see here is the box of the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo. So on the back we have this seal which looks very similar to iPhone seals. So now let's remove this, and you can see not really perfect as the iPhone seal. So now let's open this box. Tecno, now let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Tecno CAMON 19 Neo in the Echo black color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo looks like in the Echo black color. And you can see on the back we have a matte finish. It is a fingerprint magnet. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and the sides on this phone is really flat, which gives a really premium feel. On the back we have this very unique camera layout. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And the first thing, look at the case, and you can see it is a silicone case. Also we have warranty card. We also have a safety information. We also get headphones with the CAMON 19 Neo, and you can see that's really good thing. Also we have cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Also we have charger, and this is a 18W adapter, but I would say that we should see a 33W. Other smartphones is give you a 33W fast charging. So now let's put all these things is to the side. Now let's look at the Tecno CAMON 19. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. So you can see you have a full SIM slot. You can use one microSD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have rubber. On the top we have nothing. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner of this phone. On the back we have a 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. Also we have a AI lens on this phone. Camera layout, overall design language of this phone looks really beautiful, I would say, although the packet is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. On the front we have 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, no high refresh rate display. That's really disappointing. We should see 90Hz on this phone. This phone also has a punch hole on the center, which is a really good thing. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. Here is the first boot of the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo, and this phone is running on Android 12 with iOS version 8.6. So here is the home screen looks like, and this phone has a MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, which is not really powerful SoC in price range. In this price range we should see a Snapdragon 680 or a Helio G96 on this phone, but no, we have Helio G95. So now let's go to the settings. Let's go my phone, and this phone is running on Android 12. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 20.68GB. It is already used on this phone. This phone also has a fingerprint scanner. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. And you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it is fast, very smooth animation, I would say very slow. Again, we have 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. We should see a 33 watt on this phone. So here is the notification area, and you can see we have NFC on this phone. So now let's look at the camera, and you can see here is the camera features of the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo. We have a night mode, we have a short video mode, we have slow motion. All those things it is available on this phone. So no ultra wide on this phone. So we have 48 megapixel mode as well as the AI mode, which is enabled by default. Let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps, no 4K. This phone also has a bokeh effect, which give you a background blur in the video beauty feature. We also have a film mode, we have beauty mode, we have portrait mode, super night mode also available on this phone. So right there we have pro mode in the photos, also have a slow motion, maximum we have a 240 fps. We also have panorama, we also have a time lapse. All those things it is available on this phone, as you can see. So now let's look at the front camera, and this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the front camera looks really nice on this phone according what I see on the screen. On the front we also have a AI mode, and you can see we also have a 32 megapixel mode, and the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. Beauty mode also available with the front camera. Portrait mode also available with the front camera, as well as the night mode, and the slow motion also available with the front camera. So in terms of the camera features wise, this phone has everything that you want in this price range. So the cameras looks really good on this phone. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging with a 60 Hz refresh rate display. This phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also, Helio G85 is based on 12nm architecture, not as efficient as the Snapdragon 680. And my first impression regarding the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo, this phone has a really beautiful design. We also have a flat frame. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno CAMON 19 Neo. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.